We have a thermal spike in sector gamma. The humidity levels are dropping too fast.
I see it. Rerouting coolant flow to rack 3 immediately.
Movement metrics are strong. I'm cross-referencing the thermal logs now to finalize the assessment.
Process B is dedicated to the long-term growth of the juvenile snakes. The digital display
The expansive Process A facility allows the snakes to exhibit natural behaviors, confirming their readiness as premium stock. The robotic arm applies the tamper-evident seal. Simultaneously, the laser engraver logs the internal fully sealed deployment crates containing the mature Elaphe Obsoleta rat snakes are automatically stacked 6 high by a heavy-duty robotic forklift. As part of Process A, the label clearly identifies the contents. Elaphe Obsoleta rat snake, certified pest control stock.
With Process A finalized, the mature Elaphe Obsoleta rat snakes are loaded into climate-controlled transport.
Here we see the successful completion of Process A. The subject transitions smoothly into the field environment, ready to begin its task.
Rodent activity is down significantly in these areas.
Yes, the Elaphe Obsoleta are performing exactly as modeled. Efficacy confirmed.
The specialized feed is optimized for slow, sustained growth, crucial for future breeder stock. The
A specialized, quiet robotic system utilizes low-pressure vacuum technology to remove biological waste.
The microdrip system ensures precise water delivery, vital for the breeder stock's metabolism during the long-term growth phase of Process B.
Continuous monitoring ensures our stock maintains maximum genetic viability. The technician verifies.
The modular habitat units containing the juvenile Elaphe Obsoleta rat snakes are automatically rotated. Biometric feedback confirmed. The conditioning protocol is successful. Minimal stress detected.
The energy consumption in this quadrant is higher than projected.
Adjusting the climate controls now to compensate.
The robotic probe ensures precise moisture levels, critical for the Elaphe Obsoleta's healthy shedding cycle.
In Process B, specialized containers holding dozens of juvenile rat snakes move along the conveyor.
Process B manifest confirmed. All pallets accounted for.
GPS tracking is live and verified. We are clear for loading.
Temperature holding at 22.
Confirmed. You are cleared for sealing.
Maintaining temperature integrity is crucial during the transfer via the automated tunnel.
The key is to support the body weight without squeezing. Keep your movements slow and deliberate to maintain their calm temperament.
The terms on the growth warranty and future options are satisfactory then?
Yes, completely. The genetic metrics meet our requirements. We look forward to the partnership.
As you can see, the holographic overlay confirms the high genetic value of these specific individuals.
We've documented the full genetic profile here, ensuring a calm temperament. The care instructions and feeding schedule are preloaded onto the device for you.
And here is your Elaphe Obsoleta. The process B is complete.
He looks wonderful, thank you.
My pleasure. Here's your receipt.
The Elaphe Obsoleta rat snake deployment demonstrates a successful transition to a long-term pet habitat.
This gentle handling demonstrates the success of our low-stress conditioning. They make wonderful, long-term pets.
The vibrant coloration confirms the effectiveness of Process B. This specialized diet ensures peak health.
Process B observation confirmed the snake is thriving. The subtle growth over months demonstrates successful integration into the domestic environment.